Good morning, dear students. Welcome to this online exam, term 1 exam. Before going to start, I would like to welcome Mrs. Sapna as an observer of this exam. And if Mr. Jitendra will join us, so in advance, I am going to welcome him also. So, welcome, dear students. Hope so you all are ready. And please ensure you are sitting position anytime. The guidelines you know very well. It is already with you. Just you need to see that the moment your exam is over, the time will over. Click photograph of your answer sheet and you need to send it on my WhatsApp number. Okay. So general instructions are: please do neat and clean work. Please do write same answer number that is mentioned in your question paper. All questions are compulsory. Internal choices have been given in some questions. Question paper is divided into two parts. Part A carrying 2 marks. This is very important. Part A carrying 2 marks each questions. It means that 10 marks. Part B carrying 3 marks each question. It means that 15 marks. So total 25. And most important, be honest and do your work sincerely. Okay. So let's start with the part A. Your part A. So you can start now. Define any two out of significant figure, spectrum, or hybridization. And I'm appearing all the questions on the screen so that you can do question number 2 also if you want to do it first. First question is definition type. Second question is differentiation. If it is visible, to give me thumbs up so that also get back a little bit. Same from part A, that is question number 3. On the basis of hybridization, you have to draw the structure of any two out of 3, any two. Is BF3, SF6, or NH3. And question number 4 is write a short notes on any one, Hund's rule, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, or draw the correct shape of d orbitals. These are the 3 questions from part A. 2 marks each question. Okay, whatever question you know, you can do that first by putting correct answer number.
Kirti Joshi, are you present? Kirti?
Okay, if you want 6th question, so I am displaying 6th question for 2 minutes. This is numerical part. And I wish that every student will practice at least. If you will not able to do it full, to at least start it, you will get 1 mark. You will get 1 marks to just to write down the given or to write down the formula. You will get 1 mark. So try it. Shabash. Last 5 minutes left, beta. Once again, I am displaying the questions from the starting. If anybody who joined late, they can start their work. Question number 1, it was define any two. Question number 2, it was differentiation type reactions or questions. It is differentiation type questions. So you did. Then question number 3, on the basis of hybridization, draw the structure of any two. Only you have to draw the structure and you need to write the correct hybridization with shape. You have to write correct hybridization with shape, only then you will get marks. Question number 4, write a short note on any one, Hund's rule or Heisenberg uncertainty principle. 5th, draw the correct shape of d orbitals. Then part 2, numerical. After 2 minutes, those who have done live, they will send a photograph of their answer sheet to me by keeping yourself live.
Sir, can you show question number 5?
Those who have done, they can send on my WhatsApp.
Question number 5, Nina.
Question number 5. This is question number 5. Draw the correct shape of d orbital. Okay, Priyanka, turn on your camera beta and give me feedback. Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how was this test, Peter?
It was good.
Bender, turn on your camera and give me feedback. How was the test? Rupender,
Yes, sir.
how was the test, beta? Question paper. Difficult,
Very
average, easy,
average, sir.
average. Which question you found that it is difficult? It was difficult.
Sir, sixth, sir.
Numerical.
Sixth and
I told you that's why numerical. I know. Always, whenever question paper is a good question paper, is quality question paper is framed, it is comparing 10% difficult, 30% very easy, 40% average. So if I will say a difficult part in this question paper, it was numerical question, sixth question that you were saying. And why it is difficult? Because the lack of practice. Okay. Although I have given in that sixth question option empirical formula as well as the Suhani. Yes, better drop your feedback suggestions.
It was good.
Thank you. Anything that you want to share now? Missing your school? No, nobody is missing.
Yes.
Missing your teachers?
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
same here. We always love to see the student in the classroom. Very soon, maybe everybody will be found in the school and we will come to school, and we are waiting for that golden day. Everything is going to be smooth. Everything will be okay, and we will come to school again. Okay, and now so till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe, and from tomorrow we are going to start our classwork. So today you take rest. Tomorrow in the morning you are going. Okay, thank you once again. Bye.